channel. Today we'll be making stew with just this tomato paste, no fresh tomato. I'm not sure if I've tried this before, but I said let me see what it will look like. The idea was in my head, so let's see what it will look like using just tomato paste, no fresh tomato to make stew. First, pour your oil and onion in hot oil. What am I saying? Then this, I'm using Sonia tomato mix for this recipe. Again, why do people put plenty sachet stuff to their sachet spices to their stew? I don't know why. I really don't like it. But in this stew, I did it though. Put your sachet tomato paste, everything. Make sure you put everything and fry it. I think the mistake I did was I fried this for too long and it now changed color. Are you starting your journey afresh? Don't be shy. Post that video. It doesn't need to be perfect. I'm starting again. No shyness, just posting. I'm embarrassed sometimes. I'm like, yeah, we do it again. We're gonna keep putting out the videos until we get the viral moment and our pages get monetized and up. Meanwhile, fry your tomato a bit. I did my own over. So fry your tomato for just a bit and continue from there. The secret ingredient to make this plenty is fresh onion. I blended a lot of onion to this. Just see how it will become double in size now because of the onion. And the onion, that's why I said don't fry your tomato paste for too long because the onion is going to take out the sour taste from the tomato paste. So you don't need to fry the tomato for too long. Onion is going to take it out. Don't be scared of the onion. Fry the onion. I blend plenty onion. Then this is my pepper mix. In my pepper mix, I have dry pepper, garlic, scent leaf, and a lot of onion. The pepper mix, a lot of onion. Fry it a little bit. Stir to combine properly. Then I'm going in with my sachet spices. I use Kitchen Glory and SpiCity. The stew and jollof rice flavor. The stew and jollof rice flavor, it looks like onga stew. Onga stew has this very red color. Do I like it? I don't know. But I like the taste. I tasted Chicken Glory and I like the taste of Chicken Glory. Chicken Glory makes sense. I just tried to put as the ancestors were saying put. And there was no measurement for this one. You can have measurements if you want. A pinch of salt. If you know me well on this my page, you know that I am scared of adding salt to my food. I was trying to do aesthetically pleasing video and this egg decided to come out this way. I was so angry. The day where they do sharp food, where they hungry, they boil egg. The egg will come out well. This one egg where I boil and well, it still come out this way. Not really properly. I was so angry that this egg did not want my stew to be aesthetically pleasing. But we don't like that. It concern me. Na chopper one chopper. Maybe say I want snap and drop on for Instagram, leave and like that. Then we add our Kpomos. You can boil your Kpomos before you put it. Again, this soup is that soupy. This stew, is that stew. You just razzle sharp. I'm not sure this stew took me 30 minutes to make. No, because I already had my blended tomato. I've washed the Kpomos, boiled the egg separately, even washed the fish. So up to 30 minutes, I'm not so sure. I had everything prepped before. Then add one Knorr cube. I think I let her increase the Knorr cube to 2. I used 2 Knorr cube. Again, I'm using Knorr cubes because of salt that I not say asabi put too much. So I put small salt and use Knorr to cover the remaining thing. The water I added is just from the tomato sachets, tomato paste sachets, nothing extra. Then you leave it to boil properly, let everything, when they enter inside their body well. And I added my curry leaf, this curry. Can you believe everything is 100 naira? That curry na 100 naira curry be that like that for scent. And the scent of this curry, Jesus, it was so much. Even when I was trying to prep the curry leaf, I say, hey, God, can go pass out from this scent. Like it was a whole lot for me. Stir to combine properly. This stew can be used to eat bread and stew, rice and beans with stew, rice and stew. You can even use this stew to make jollof rice. You can use it to make jollof rice. Yeah, rice and stew and yam, or yam and stew, potato and stew, beans and stew, anything. And this stew is the stew for all. Stew. And have you even tried swallow with okra soup and stew? And you remember place now learn that one. Our stew is ready. Look at what it looks like. Oof. I could not wait to eat because I've not eaten since morning. On this day I ate 6:22 p.m. Like I did not eat throughout the whole day. I don't know what was wrong with me. So our stew is ready. Are you going to be trying this recipe? Comment below, like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Have a lovely